In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce no-shows using voice AI. A very big problem many businesses have: people book appointments, but they just don't show up. Maybe they forget their appointments, or maybe they cancel last minute. Whatever the reason may be, the business loses that revenue because that slot could have gone to somebody else. So in order to avoid scheduling chaos and operational inefficiency, you can simply build a voice AI agent that will help you to reduce these no-shows. So there's really two ways how you can set this up. You can build an outbound AI agent, meaning the AI agent will call the prospect or the client to reconfirm the appointment and maybe even ask pre-appointment questions. Or you can also set up a conversation AI bot that just simply sends out emails, SMS, or WhatsApp messages in order to reconfirm the appointment and ask these questions. But the voice AI agent here is really much more effective because it's much more direct. So let me show you how you can set this up. So here we are starting off by building a voice AI agent. We're going to click on AI agents on the left, click voice AI at the top, and then click create agent. From here you can decide whether or not you want to get a template from the marketplace or build one from scratch. Building one from scratch is more suitable for this use case. Because remember, we're building this for the customer to be able to confirm, reschedule, or get answers about their appointments without friction and without any pressure. The goal is very simple: to make it easier for people to respond so fewer appointments are missed. Because no-shows do happen not because people don't care, but because answering is really hard. So in this case, we are building a voice AI agent that picks up the moment somebody calls. The task of this AI voice agent is to support appointment-related calls only. It's not there to sell anything. So here we are going to name our agent. We're going to call it Appointment Support Assistant. Then you can select the language and the voice you would like to use. You can select the time zone and the language model. Here you can adjust the initial message the voice AI agent speaks out once he or she picks up the phone. Let's click Next. And from here we can connect a knowledge base or create an existing one. Let's click Create New Knowledge Base. Give it a name and a description if you like, hit create. And from here you can decide how to train the knowledge base. You can add the source, meaning you can add your website here and the bot will scroll the website and has all the knowledge, all the data that's been placed on the website with all the content that's there. You can add FAQs that are very general, like for example, the location, the direction, what people need to bring, maybe some information about parking and so on. You can add tables, rich text, or even upload files if you have some PDF files that would do great in addition to your website, for example. Once you created the knowledge base, click the drop-down menu and select your knowledge base and connect it to the AI agent. Here you can also switch to advanced mode. From here, you give more directions like when to use the knowledge base and also more information about the actual job of this particular agent. In this case, you would focus on, hey, you're here to confirm the appointment. You're here to help the customer to reschedule if they ask so. You can help canceling the appointment, and you can help answering the pre-visit questions that we've just added under FAQs, like the parking, the directions, and so on. From here, you can also set up custom actions. You can transfer the call, you can trigger a workflow, you can send an SMS, update a contact field, help with appointment booking, use custom actions, and MCP. Down here, you can again choose to trigger a workflow. You checkmark this box and then select the workflow that you would like to trigger once this call has been completed. And here you can decide who should be notified once the call has been completed. Hit next. And here we want to disable the AI agent as a backup because the AI agent is supposed to do the whole job for us. So we don't have to pick up the phone anymore. And we do not want to turn off the 24/7 agent because that's the whole point. So next up, we are going to confirm call routing for appointment-related calls. For this, we hit Settings bottom left. We click Phone Systems, click Phone Numbers at the top, select the phone number that you've connected to your AI agent, click the three dots, click Edit Configuration. And from here, you want to make sure the basic details and the call forwarding details are on point. This is how you can confirm a reschedule without any friction. Pre-visit questions no longer tie up any staff, and your appointment slots are being better protected. So if customers still miss appointments because responding feels hard, the setup isn't complete. With this voice AI feature supporting appointment engagement, it becomes easier for customers to show up and for teams to stay on schedule. And if you're still looking for a software that can help you do so, I would highly recommend signing up for HighLevel if you haven't done so yet, or if you're already on HighLevel and you're looking to upgrade, please do so via our affiliate link because there's so much in it for you. You'll be able to benefit from a full SAAS snapshot, which helps you set up your agency in case you want to go out and sell locations. You'll be able to get access to a full marketing agency snapshot, including all the workflows that come with it to generate leads, nurture leads, and close the leads. But also you'll be able to get access to a review snapshot if you want to go out and sell review reputation management, for example. But the best thing actually is everyone is so excited about the full white label video content library you get access to when you sign up under me to GohighLevel. It comes with over 500 videos that you can use for your clients to teach them how to use the system. So no mentioning of high level, completely white labeled, makes it look like it's all yours, which comes actually inside a ticketing support snapshot already all placed in the media library, so you don't have to even set up anything. It also comes with a bunch of different SOPs and courses that will help you get better online and build a better business.